Well, good morning, Yuriki. In case you don't know, my name is Yuri, and I'm making and posting these videos for myself, as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. And I started doing that for two very specific reasons. Firstly, I've spent hours and hours watching 15 to 30-minute YouTube videos, subscribed to 5 or more channels, and not getting what I'm looking for. And I'm sorry, and this is just my opinion. But I don't want to hear that the price will go up or down. I don't want to know about what was predicted last year, last month. I don't want to see in what hotel you're staying, in what country, what new car you just bought. I don't want to see an emergency update that is not an emergency. I want to know that, well, what's going to happen today. I want to get in and out of a trade as quickly as possible. And I want to do that with correct predictions, correct prediction levels, and I want my trades to be profitable. Secondly, I want to rate myself, check my accuracy of my previous videos, better myself as a trader, and give myself an accurate percentage rating of what I predicted that was right and what was wrong. Now, with that said and done, and with the understanding that this is not financial advice and that I cannot be held responsible or accountable for any of the content, this is just my own opinion and my own views. Let's jump straight into this. Vicky, yesterday was another fantastic day for something that you predicted yesterday morning. In fact, when yesterday morning it was roughly 30 minutes past 4 in the morning, which would have been around about here, the price was at that stage 27,350. So let's put it over there. It's more or less over there. I drew a triangle, I took the middle of the triangle, and at 8 minutes and 5 seconds into yesterday's video, you said that the price will drop, and you said that you believe that the price could drop as low as 26,800, and that is more or less exactly what happened. In fact, it actually went a little bit lower. It went down to 26,520. So by taking that trade yesterday, I made a couple of dollars. I'm very happy on that one. Yuriki, if you look back at yesterday's video, 9 minutes 30 seconds, you also said if you were not in a trade at that stage, you will wait for the price to come down. You will wait for the price to come down to this line, and you will see if there is a 4-hour close above or below that candle, and depending on that you will take a long or a short. So price came down, we had a 4-hour close under that line. I said that then if the price has a 4-hour close under that line, take a long or a short. So in this case it would have been short at 27 to 50, and take profit as much as you can as it goes down. So 4-hour close, price came up, actually came up a little bit more. But remember, don't get worried about these things, that's straight. And whoop, went down. There could have been another price drop with another $700 from there. So that could have also been a very nice and profitable trade. And goodness, when I look at my views and I look at the videos, or then I would just ask myself, goodness, is there no one out there seeing this? But regardless, so what does this prediction of yesterday do to my rating? I have now made 17, so 17 videos, and I've posted 17 of them. So I was correct, and 4 of them was neutral, 1 was incorrect. So that moves my price or my winning ratio up to roughly, well, 94.75%, but I'm pretty happy to stick with 94. So, fantastic on that one. Very happy. Let's move on. What do I think is going to happen today? I think today's going to be a choppy one. I expect I know there is CPI figures coming out today. So I do expect a lot of choppy figures, choppy trading. Regardless what happens though, always remember, cover yourself. Um, Take profit as soon as you can. Even if you have to enter a trade 10 times, rather take 10 small wins than take one big loss. Um, let's have a look. I have now drawn my new triangle lines for today, and from what this tells me, remember this is just your own method that works for you, Yuriki. From what the triangles are showing me, I the price could go down, but honestly, I am not confident that that is the way to go today. I don't want to go against my own beliefs here, but okay. So, Yuriki, yesterday after the price fell and the price touched that line over there at 27 at 250, where you went into the short, took a little bit of profit, the position went up again, and I was stopped out in a profit. It wasn't much, it was something like a 10-15% profit, but still a profit. I went into a long position at 26,942. 26,942 is over there. I was pretty much thinking that it's gonna go up. It has not yet. Although I'm not concerned about this. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's not a race. Any move that you put yourself into, do not go into a trade if you are not willing to lose that money. Um, and never go in with all of your money in your trade at once. Always stack your orders. Like, for example, I went into a long at 26,942. I actually missed this one, but I would add to my long at 26,542. So I would never play all of my money at once. Let's say, for example, if I've got um, let's make it an easy one. If I've got $100 in my account, I would do 5 trades of $20. So I would have to be wrong 5 times in a row to lose all of it. So that is what I'll do. Triangle is showing me that the price will go down today. I believe there will be a lot of choppiness between these two current lines, between 27,555 and 27,025. So what I will do is on my own current order, which is 26,942, the moment that it reaches this line of 27, more or less 27,050, I would put in a take profit. If the price comes down, I'm in profit. If it does go up and it shoot up, it will probably not go higher than about 27,300. That's more or less what I'm expecting. The moment that it does, I'll go into a short at 27,300 and I'll wait for it to come back to this line and I'll take profit on that one. And even the same, if I was not in a position, at this stage, if I was not in a position, I would put in a long at 27,550. The moment that it touches this line, I expect it then to go up. If it doesn't, remember, don't get panicked about it. Put in another long at 27,400. Put in another long at 25. Each time that you put in a long, the price that you bought in is going to come down. Eventually, it's going to fall. But don't play all of your money. And then the same, I would put in if I was not in a position, I could put in a short at 27,0750 in case it touches that line, goes down. If it does perhaps go up, then I'll add to my short at 27,310. And with that, Yuriki, follow your own rules. Be safe.